Welcome to Lightwave Technology Lab, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Jodhpur. Here, both UG and PG students are actively involved in the cutting-edge and high-impact research and development in the field of optics and photonics. Some of the ongoing research areas, but not limited to, include the design and characterization of active and passive optical devices such as optical sources, power splitters, fiber optic sensors and free space optical communications. The group is also engaged in the theoretical and experimental study of various concepts and phenomena related to applied optics and photonics. Our lab facilities are well equipped to undertake frontline research in different domains of photonics. The lab is equipped with laser sources, both tunable and fixed wavelength, optical power meter and detectors, fusion splice machine, bit error rate tester, power attenuator, optical power amplifiers and other characterization facilities. Apart from the hardware facilities, simulation software such as MATLAB, BeamProp are also available.
Hello everyone, I am Vikash Srivastava, a PhD student in the Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Jodhpur. And today I am going to give you a small demonstration on how to couple light into an optical fiber and also to show bending loss in an optical fiber. Okay, so the setup is ready with us. We have laser source, a pair of mirrors, an objective lens, transitional stages, optical fiber and a photodetector. Okay, so first let's turn on the laser source. We have this laser source which is operating at 655 nanometer in the visible light regime, and these pair of mirrors will reflect the light coming from this laser onto this objective lens. The idea behind using this mirror is to align the wavefronts parallel to the surface of the optical fiber. The output from this laser source has a large spot size, and in order to couple this light onto an optical fiber, we need an objective lens to focus this light at the end of the fiber. One end of the optical fiber is placed here in front of this objective lens, and the other end is placed at the face of this photodetector. Okay, so here we have turned on this photodetector, and as you can see here, the light is getting coupled into the optical fiber and the output is approx 12.2 microampere. Now, in order to align this incoming light onto the optical fiber, we have this rotational stage that moves in X, Y and Z coordinates. So moving this X, Y and Z screws, we can align the incoming light onto the optical fiber. So as you can see that rotating these screws is changing the optical output there. So we have to keep rotating these screws, adjusting the X, Y, Z coordinates unless and until we achieve a maximum output. So in our case, let us assume that we are getting approx 156 microampere, our maximum output. So this is how we couple light onto an optical fiber. For next part of our demo, we take the same setup and we have this optical fiber, and as you can see that the output current is around 116 microampere. So in order to demonstrate that bending loss, I am going to bend this optical fiber and see the changes in the optical output. So as I am bending this optical fiber, you can see that there is a drastic decrease in the optical output since the light is escaping out from this bend. Okay, so that's it from our end, and hope you liked it.